This is our latest restoration. This is for my friend Michael Falcone. We did a Space Invaders from the ground up, re-stenciled all of the trimmings. I'll show you as close up as I can get. We got Teflon leg levelers, all new T-molding, beautifully recoated coin door, a brand new control panel overlay silk screened on metal by Rich from This Old Game, all new buttons, leaf switch of course, splatter paint by my grandpa, the nicest bezel I have ever seen. I still can't believe I'm putting it on this machine and sending it out the door. I should save this one for my own machine. But the guy who's getting it has worked with me and dealt with delays, and he is aces in my book. Let's go around to the back. Even the back is clean. Midway Space Invaders. Let's go over here. Let's check it out. So it has the multi-chip in it. You can see in the reflection I have an Orlando shirt. I just went to Florida. My buddy Mick Simmons and crew did the Free Play Florida. It was a great event. Let's turn the lights off and see how it looks with the lights off, and we'll play a game. Listen to that. Space Invaders by Richie Knuckles. Going out to Mike Falcone. Very proud of this one. So Defender for Troy, Gravatar for me, 2 Zookeepers, which are next on the chopping block. Oh yeah, big shout out to Scotty Doyle for the kick cocktail. Nicest kick cocktail on the planet. Yes, Scotty.
And keep practicing your video games if you ever want to make a living at it.